What if I told you someone built a drone that could stay in the air much longer than a traditional quadcopter? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today on Drone Dominator, we're taking a look at one of the most interesting custom drone projects ever created. The world's most efficient drone. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a normal drone. Instead of four separate arms, it uses a unique X-shaped frame with large, slow-spinning propellers. That design isn't just for looks. Bigger propellers create more lift while using less power, which means longer flight times and better efficiency. This isn't a drone you can buy from DJI or any other company. It's a custom-built prototype designed by YouTuber and engineer Luke Maximo, Bell. His goal was simple: build a drone that flies farther, stays in the air longer, and wastes as little energy as possible. What's really impressive is how every part of this drone was designed with efficiency in mind. From the lightweight frame to the oversized propellers, everything works together to squeeze every possible minute out of the battery. Now, this drone isn't built for racing or crazy acrobatic flying. It's built for smooth, stable, and incredibly efficient flight. That makes it a fascinating concept for future aerial photography, mapping, inspections, and even long-range missions. The coolest part? This is only the beginning. Projects like this show that drone technology is still evolving, and the next generation of drones could fly longer than ever before. If you enjoy discovering unique drone technology like this, make sure to subscribe to Drone Dominator, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments which drone you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.